My name is Jay Patalia. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Engage Hub. I'm an entrepreneur, tech enthusiast, and a seasoned entrepreneur with a track record of building businesses. I'm currently based in the US, where I have successfully built up a business from scratch for an Indian company. My constant search for growth has led me to the futuristic and the fast-growing world of hyper-casual gaming. And I was introduced to MHG Technologies in India. They had developed an exclusive patentable middleware solution using hyper-casual games. It solved three of the biggest problems of marketing: customer engagement, customer loyalty, and revenue maximization. The concept convinced me to invest in MHG India, and in March 2020, I became a shareholder. Realizing the potential of an early launch in North America, a Canadian entity, Engage Hub, was envisioned in strategic collaboration with MHG India to aid an early go-to-market. Going solo would have delayed the market launch and hence the head start in the concept of gamification. Gamification is basically the process of using games to harness customer engagement. In our case, the middleware solution for smartphones is built using hyper-casual games, which are easy to play, minimalistic, snackable games that require negligible downloading or learning, thereby appealing to a wider range of consumers. Owing to the ease of adaptability, it is easy for all consumers to jump across games and spend time within our ecosystem, thus voluntarily and meaningfully engaging them. This moment of having their undivided attention is then harnessed and capitalized by deploying cleverly blended advertisements and promotions targeted towards revenue enhancements. Since each client has different requirements, challenges, and goals, a variety of customizations need to be incorporated in our solution. These implementations are handled by our on-ground development center, which will eventually be created in Canada. Being a HTML5 based solution, changes can be implemented almost in real time, thus offering endless iterations and improvements to the client solution. This ensures a continued business from the client. In my experience, as opposed to approaching a client from abroad, a Canadian presence would immensely help speed up sales process in addition to boosting the client interaction and confidence. By 2022, we intend to employ about 20 locals in Canada across our local development center and sales team. To help me with the vision of Engage Hub Canada, I'm assisted by two highly experienced professionals as co-founders. Mohit is a senior corporate banker with vast experience in strategic planning, governance, and implementation. Being a seasoned angel investor himself, Mohit and I have collectively invested around $235 in MHG India. Shri, on the other hand, is a distinguished journalist, editor, and an entrepreneur with hands-on experience with startups and digital marketing. Shri has committed to invest $65,000 in the proposed Canadian entity for a 12% stake. Together, the trio of Mohit, Shri, and myself, with our varied experiences, are a strong team to kickstart the Canadian operations. In the post-COVID era, e-com and digitalization will be the prime focus for enterprises of all sizes, and we are already seeing traction with two potential clients, thereby encouraging us to set up shop by the end of 2020. We plan to start as a bootstrap company to build motivation and carve out a sustainable and a consistent path to achieve our vision to be recognized as the pioneers in the field of hyper-casual gamification in Canada.